We're currently at Home Depot seeing if there's any extra decor that we want to get. This one is so pretty. I've always wanted to get one of these husky toolboxes to organize my makeup. How sick would that be?
Pretty sick.
Yay, we're gonna get our Christmas tree. Do you know how to say it?
I said wreath.
Wreath.
I said wreath.
Oh shit. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, she's a big one. No way, it's too small. What? Way too small. Our ceilings are like 23 feet tall. Okay, we found the winner. We're going with this one. This is last year's tree and this year's tree. I think this is by far the best tree we've ever got. Isn't she beautiful? Now Stormy got the perfect holiday touch. She looks so pretty. Always make sure to plug in your lights first before putting them on your tree. We just realized that half of this is, I guess, broken. If your tree is in the corner like this, we actually like to zigzag the lights on. That way it's easier to put on and take off. So when you go on this side, you can see this is actually bare behind, but we put just enough around this side so that you can still see it outside the window right there. So yeah, a little trick. I also like to stuff some of the strands like into the tree. That way it looks like there's lights coming from within and without.
And without. From inside and outside.
Oh, from inside and out, I guess. Ooh, they're so pretty. The only black thing that we don't have is the tree topper. So we're just gonna use the colorful star for now. And if we find something, then we can change it, but it's not that bad. This is what the tulle looks like so far. It's kind of coming along. I'm not really having so much of a pattern, just kind of tucking it in certain places and then puffing it out. I have a few pine cones that I'm gonna add inside. It's kind of hard to do an all black tree because there aren't that many options as far as ornaments. So I'm gonna have to keep shopping and hopefully I find some more stuff to add.
No. Oh, you're screwing me out.
Hannah, come here. Get off there.
Little
Drop
mommy.
it. Drop it.
Mommy. Oh, Lulu. Ow. 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 Ow.
This is what I ended up doing above the fireplace. Kept it really simple. I just used the extra trimmings that I got from the tree lot. I wanted to go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby to see if I could find more decorations. I like it, but I don't love it. I feel like it needs more of a rustic addition, like more pine cones or maybe some DIY ornaments. But I think this will have to do for now. I also wanted to flock the tree, which we didn't get to do. We just literally have no time and we've barely been home. So I think this is just gonna have to do, and I really like it. It is still really pretty and cozy. It's more on the simple side, but yeah, that is our tree. It's kind of dark, but I have a little arrangement on my coffee table. We have this star lit up above our front door, and then our staircase is also all lit up. And because this year I had a theme with the all black, I used all of the sentimental ornaments on my staircase because I didn't want to leave these guys out. They're so cute. Look at this one. This is Hanale's paws when he was only 10 weeks old. You were just a little baby. So that's it for this Christmas house decor tour, kind of. We love you guys so much. We hope you have a happy holiday season, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.